Hi everybody, welcome to Tech India. This video is about how to pay Axis Bank credit card bill through SBI Net Banking. To do that, log into your SBI Net Banking with your user ID and password. Now in home page of SBI Net Banking, we can find an option called Quick Transfer. Under Payments or Transfer sections, now click on that. Now a new page will open. Here we need to enter our Axis Bank credit card details. Under beneficiary name, enter your name as it is present on your Axis Bank credit card. Under beneficiary account number, enter your 16-digit credit card number and again re-enter your credit card number. Now come to payment option. Now select interbank transfer. Now come to IFSC details. Here enter this IFSC code UTIB 0000400. You can find this IFSC code in Axis Bank official website. I will provide the link of this website in below video description so that you can view all these details. By using these details from any bank, we can make the credit card bill payments of Axis Bank. So enter that IFSC code. Now come to transfer mode. Here select the transfer mode as IMPS. By choosing IMPS, we can make the payments without any delay. If we choose NEFT, then it will take 1 to 3 days. So better to choose IMPS. Now come to amount. Here enter your due amount. And after that, select the purpose as payment towards loan repayment and accept the terms and conditions and click on submit. Now you know the remaining process. Now an on-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number and enter that OTP and make the payment. So this is the process to make Axis Bank credit card bill payments through SBI Net Banking. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to Tech India. Thank you.